Solana price prediction. In the last video, I gave you this long, this short, and this long. Within one video, I'm ready to give you two trading setup, one of which I like a little bit better. I'll give you a short-term price prediction for Solana and a long-term price prediction. Short-term, I'm looking to short and long right here. Long term, I think Solana will go crazy from here. It can definitely try and break the 220 and we are aiming higher. I'm very interested in seeing a good price action on it. And we'll see how the market will react towards it. Do we have an arrow? Yes, we do. So I'm interested in seeing a nice upwards movement from this level right here on the daily chart. I'll actually add this arrow. Here it is. Yep. The next thing I wanted to show you was where I think price will go to next from this level. I'm interested in one of two scenarios. From this exact moment, I'm going for a long or a short. The short will be at 211 to 214. There's a lot of liquidations above this high right here, and the long would coincide with the 50 MA, and we can see money flows going up, which is very good. I'm very happy to see that money flow. Look at this low, high, low, higher, high. So it's actually very beautiful. And all we need to do to break higher is crush these weekly liquidations. We have $23 million worth of liquidations here, 9 million here, 13 million. So there's 100 mil worth of liquidations here, basically, until 215. We break that, we're going to 217, which is going there. It's super likely after that. So I'm very happy with what I'm seeing on the charts. And if you are wondering how I'm making good money from meme coins like this 262 grand on VOOX, 28 grand on a new wallet, I have a link in the description down below that I'm updating. It's my course. It's just $117 right now. You can check it out. Also have my signals chat where you can see all of my trades live. And also I'm currently switching to BLOFIN because it's the best exchange. $30 bonus, 50% spot fee discount. Make the switch right now. Definitely worth it, in my opinion. It's the best exchange for new users and experienced users. This video is no financial advice. If this video gets at least 10 likes, I'll make another update tomorrow. See you next one. Bye.